fancy a few snacks? What shall I have? What would you have? Come with me, let's check out my kitchen and see what we can rustle up. But before we do, guys, let me just tell you that this is another fantastic collaboration video made in conjunction with my besties over in the YouTube small channel Weight Loss Support Loop. So we're all making videos today about the same thing, which is all about healthy snacks. So please check the description box below and click on each of their links. It'll take you to their channels and you will get some absolutely fantastic ideas. So please do that after you've watched my video. And whilst you're there, please hit that red subscribe button, like and comment. It would mean so much to them. Okay guys, let's go and check out a few snacks. So the first healthy snack that I've prepared is avocado and prawns on toast. And this, I love this at any time of the day. It's healthy, it's nutritious, it's filling, and it smells so good. And sometimes I will just put a variety of toppings on my avocado toast. So next is my plate of cucumbers that have been sliced and topped, and I've got there, this is being topped with a little bit of cream cheese and a prawn, and then I've also got another variety which has been topped with a yogurt dip and a prawn. I'm going to show you that yogurt dip in a bit more detail in a moment, but these are really great because they're so quick and easy. It literally slicing a cucumber and then popping your topping on. So my next healthy snack is this lovely array of fresh veggies, and this is half an avocado, and I've just literally mashed up the half of avocado and I've mixed it with some skyr yogurt, just 2 tablespoons, and I've mashed it and sprinkled some salt and black pepper in there, and then I've scooped it back into the skin, which is nicer presentation. And I've got here some cucumber sticks, some carrot sticks, some cherry toms, and a little piece of cheese. So this is a beautiful bowl in the evening if I want to snack, or in the daytime when I'm working and I just need something just to munch on. I often do a plate like this, and it's so healthy and so filling as well, really delicious. Look what I've got here, guys. These are my tortilla chips. I'm so happy to show you these. What I want you to do is click the red subscribe button and the bell, and the reason I want you to do that is because on my very next video I'm going to show you how to make these. These are my very own tortilla chips, and I've just spiced them and seasoned them, and oh my goodness, they're so delicious. And they're crunchy. Check this out. Can you hear that? Oh my goodness. Can you hear that crunch? Oh my days, they are lovely. I've got on them a variety of seasonings, including paprika, and I'm going to show you in my next video how I make them. They are so simple, so quick, and really healthy. I've made this dip. Oh, this dip is so good. And again, I'm going to show you how to make this in my very next video. So do make sure that you click that notification bell when you hit that red subscribe button, because this Oh, look at that. Excuse me, I've got to have a munch. So good. And this dip is also what I've used on my cucumbers as well, so completely versatile. Excuse me. I tell you, who needs shop-made snacks when you can make your own in just seconds and they taste so good? And they're really healthy, low fat, low carbs, low everything, low points, low everything. Beautiful. Okay guys, my next snack that I'm going to show you that I've made today is, it's a sweet dessert. So let me just go through this for you. So what I've done, I've taken my natural yogurt and a teaspoon of jam, and I've mixed them together to create the base. And as you can see, if I can just scoop that up for you, it's like, you can't really see it very well on the camera, but it's a strawberry, it becomes like a strawberry yogurt base. And then what I've done is I've topped it with a banana, just sliced banana, then some nuts and a drizzle of honey. Beautiful, really healthy, tasty, and it gives it, you know, sometimes you just want that sweetness. Perfect. So good. Because sometimes personally I find that plain yogurt can just be just too plain, but stirring in a spoonful of the jam, whatever flavour you want, I've got strawberry, but it just gives it that sweetness, and then add in just a drizzle of honey with the nuts and the fruit. Perfect. So that is my sweet dessert that I've made. Other snacks that I tend to have that are healthy as your regular apples and pears and bananas. So I love just having fruit like this, either sliced up or just on its own, and it just keeps me going, because you know, sometimes I just need that sugar, but other times I like to switch between the savoury and the sweet just to have that variety. But yeah, always having a stash of fruit in the house is great. Oops, just dropped that. Other snacks that I make is ones like this, which is my soup, and I just get my frozen veg and I just pop them into my soup maker, and voila, 20 minutes later, 21 minutes later, it's done. So I will always have soup on hand, either fresh in the fridge or frozen. I also love to slice up my fruit, sprinkle them with nuts and a drizzle of honey. Makes a delicious snack at any time of the day, but particularly after meals when I just want something sweet. So guys, those are my healthy snacks. I hope you have got some ideas and some inspiration for creating a few of your own. But please hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see my video on how I make some of these snacks in my very next video. Okay guys, that's it for me and my kitchen, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care now.